In a world obsessed with the latest tech, we've created something that looks like it's from the future, but carries dangers from our past. Welcome to the world of vaping, where sleek devices and candy-flavored clouds mask a deadly truth. Let's break down what happens when you vape. Each puff delivers a cocktail of chemicals straight to your lungs. Nicotine, the addictive substance that keeps you coming back. Propylene glycol and vegetable glycerin, which sound harmless, but can transform into toxic compounds when heated. Heavy metals like lead and nickel, leaching from the device's heating element, and thousands of artificial flavoring chemicals, none of which were meant to be inhaled. The numbers are staggering. Over 2,800 people have been hospitalized with vaping-related lung injuries. The average pod contains as much nicotine as 20 cigarettes. And most alarming? 8 out of 10 teens who start vaping continue to use traditional tobacco products. But what makes vaping particularly insidious is its marketing. Bright colors, sweet flavors, and promises of a safer alternative have created an epidemic among young people. In 2022, more than 2.5 million teenagers reported using e-cigarettes. That's 2.5 million young lives at risk. The long-term effects? We're just beginning to understand them. Studies show vaping can damage your heart, affect your brain development if you're under 25, and may even alter your DNA. It's been linked to chronic lung diseases, increased risk of respiratory infections, and yes, even cancer. The vaping industry generates billions in profit each year. But at what cost? Emergency rooms across the country report increasing cases of nicotine poisoning. Schools are installing vape detectors in bathrooms. Parents are watching their children battle nicotine addiction before they're old enough to drive. Here's what you need to know. Vaping isn't a safe alternative to smoking. It's just a different way to become addicted. The fancy packaging and high-tech design can't hide the simple truth. You're still inhaling harmful chemicals into your lungs. If you're currently vaping, there's help available. Nicotine replacement therapy, counseling, and support groups can help you break free. And if you haven't started, keep it that way. Don't let the neon lights and sweet flavors fool you. Beneath the glossy surface lies a health crisis in the making. The future of our health shouldn't be clouded by vapor. It's time to see through the smoke and mirrors and face the truth about vaping. Because in this story, what looks like progress might just be our next public health disaster.